Let's say we have a problem that looks like the very top. Okay. Let's say we have a problem that looks like the very top right over here. This first yellow highlight right here. Okay. Now, I am going to break down just exactly the same way. I'm going to break down the top yellow to become the bottom yellow. Okay. I'm going to break down the top green to be the bottom green. Okay, or the green below, I should say. Okay. So I did exactly the same thing we've been doing. Okay, to get from yellow on top to yellow right below, green on top to green right below. Okay, again, just to recap, the 23 or the 24, I got through this. Okay, I used 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3, and this right here, 2, 2, 2, 3 is how I got that. And I did the same thing for the greens. Okay, now check this out. Okay, all I did to get to the third line, okay, all I did to get to the third line is combine these into one line. Okay, combine those into one line. Okay, so just to be clear, all I'm doing to get from the second to the third line, it's writing it all under one house, so to speak. This is one house. This is another house. And we're going to put it all together under one house. Okay. So now, I just combined the yellows. Now, there's 3 x's here, 1 x here, so there's 4 x's there. There are 6 y's here, 2 y's there, which add up to 8 y's. Okay, there are 2 z's here, 4 z's there, which add up to 6 z's. Okay, add up to 6 z's. And now from here, you do the same thing that we've been doing. Okay, expand the x's, y's, z's, and then take out triples. And then you get to this answer, get to this final answer over here. Okay, so to recap, the first step is to break down. The 24 here. I'll copy and paste it right here. Hang on. The first step is to break down the 24 into that and the 45 into that. Okay, using the ladder that I taught you already. Okay, now the second step is to combine everything into one house, so to speak. Okay, right now we got 2 houses. Okay, I should say cube roots. Okay, we got a cube root here. We got a cube root here. We're going to combine it all into one cube root. Okay, one house. So now I combine the yellows to become this. Okay, and again, 3 x's here, 1 x here, which means 4x. 6 x's here, 6 y's there, 2 y's there, which combine to 8 y's total. Okay, 2 z's here, 4 z's there, which combine to 6 z's total. And then from here on out, you do the same exact thing as we did before. Okay, spread it all out, write x's for x, 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 y, 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 y 8 times, z, z, z 6 times, and take out triples. All right. Okay, and that wraps up today's lesson. I want you guys to use this example to do the next problems.